Bro, listen, if you are still doing 2023 style SEO, then you are literally wasting your time. In December 2025, Google rolled out its core update and it completely changed the entire SEO game. And the biggest thing, now just ranking on Google is not enough. Now you have to rank on ChatGPT, you have to rank on Perplexity, you have to rank on Gemini. Welcome to the era of GO, which means Generative Engine Optimization. And if you have not learned GO yet, then in 2026, your competitors will literally crush you because they will be getting traffic from AI chatbots and you will still be wondering why is my content not ranking. Now, before we begin, hello guys, I'm Nauman Pathan, SEO expert and content creator. And in this video, I will tell you exactly what changes came in the December 2025 Google Core Update, what GO is and how you will implement it, and what should be the complete SEO strategy in 2026. So let us start. Look, bro, SEO has changed more in the last 2 years than it changed in the last 10 years. Seriously. Until 2023, SEO was simple. Put keywords, build backlinks, write content, get ranked. But in 2024, when AI chatbots became mainstream, Google also went into panic mode. Why? Because people started leaving Google. Earlier, whenever anyone needed an answer to any question, they would search on Google. Now people go directly to ChatGPT, they go to Perplexity, and Google knows that if it does not change itself, it will become irrelevant. That is why the December 2025 core update was so massive. Google literally restructured its entire ranking algorithm. And now the SEO that will work in 2026 is completely different from what worked in 2024. Let me break it down for you step by step. The December 2025 Google Core Update officially started on 5th December and was fully rolled out by 18th December. And this update literally flipped the rankings of millions of websites. Now, I will tell you exactly what major changes came in this update. First change, AI-generated content detection got smarter. Earlier, many people used to generate content in bulk using AI and get ranked. Google partially addressed this in 2024, but now Google's AI detection has literally reached the next level. Now, Google does not just check whether content is written by AI or not. Now, Google checks whether there is genuine expertise in the content or not, whether real world experience is being reflected or not. Meaning, if you are writing about health, then Google will check whether your content has actual medical knowledge, whether you have mentioned real case studies, whether your content is just generic information or actually helpful. And this is what Google calls EEAT experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. In the December 2025 update, the weightage of EEAT has literally doubled. Second change, user intent matching became hyper-specific. Earlier, Google used to focus on keywords. Now, Google focuses on user intent. Meaning, if someone searches best laptop for students, earlier Google used to rank those pages which had this exact keyword. Now, Google ranks those pages which actually understand the student's need. Does the student need a budget laptop? Does he also want to do gaming? Does he need to do coding? Google now understands all of this and shows results accordingly. And this means that now you should not just target keywords, you will have to understand the user's complete journey. Third change, Helpful Content System 3.0. Google's Helpful Content System already existed, but in December 2025, its 3.0 version came and it is much more aggressive. Now, Google is actively demoting such content which was written only for SEO, content that does not actually help the user, content that is repetitive and generic, and content that has no unique value addition. And the interesting thing is that this system now works at site level, not at page level. Meaning if 50% content on your website is low quality, then the ranking of your entire website can drop. Yes, the entire website. Fourth change, site reputation abuse crackdown. This change was specifically for those websites which were misusing their high authority. For example, many news websites had started putting random affiliate content and coupon pages on their subdomains just because the authority of their main domain was high. Google has now completely cracked down on this. Now, such parasite SEO tactics will not work. Fifth change, link quality over quantity. Backlinks are still important, but now quality matters much more than quantity. Earlier, if you had 1000 backlinks, then you would get ranked. Now, if you have 1000 low quality backlinks, Google can penalize you. Google's new system now analyzes in what context the backlink was given, whether that website is genuinely recommending your content or it is just a link exchange. Now let us come to the most important topic, GO. GO means Generative Engine Optimization. Look bro, until now SEO meant that you rank on Google, but now SEO means that you rank everywhere on Google as well as on AI chatbots. Because think about it, When someone asks ChatGPT best smartphones under 30,000, ChatGPT takes information from some source and gives the answer. If your website is in that source, then your brand will be mentioned. If it is not, then your competitor will be mentioned. And this is GEO, optimizing your website and content in such a way that AI chatbots cite your content. Let me tell you some stats that will open your eyes. In 2024, approximately 30% users started using AI chatbots for search. By the end of 2025, this number reached 45%. And predictions are saying that by the end of 2026, it will be more than 60%. Meaning in 2026, majority of users will search through AI chatbots, not Google. And if you are only focusing on Google SEO, then you are literally missing 60% potential traffic. Now the important question, how do AI chatbots decide which website to cite? Look, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, these are all different AI chatbots and they have their own method. But there are some common factors. First factor, source authority. AI chatbots primarily prefer high authority sources. This means established websites, research papers, government websites, and recognized publications. But this does not mean that small websites will not get a chance. If your content is genuinely unique and valuable, AI chatbots can cite you too. Second factor, content freshness. AI chatbots prefer fresh and updated content. If your content is 2 years old and you have not updated it, chances are less that it will be cited. Third factor, structured data. Websites that properly structure their content with headings, bullet points, tables, FAQs, their content is easier for AI chatbots to understand and it gets cited more. Fourth factor, factual accuracy. AI chatbots now also do fact checking. If there is incorrect information in your content, then it will not be cited. Now I will tell you practical steps for GEO, simple and actionable. First step, create comprehensive content. Your content should be comprehensive, meaning if you are covering a topic, cover it completely. Do not give half information. AI chatbots prefer sources that completely explain a topic. Second step, use clear structure. Use proper headings in your content. Use bullet points where necessary. Use tables where there is data comparison and add FAQs. This makes it easier for AI chatbots to parse your content quickly. Third step, add citations and references. If you are making any claim, back it up with sources. AI chatbots trust those contents more which are properly referenced. Fourth step, regularly update content. Keep updating old content regularly. Fresh content is more relevant for AI chatbots. Fifth step, build topical authority. Focus deeply in a specific niche. If your website has content on 100 different topics, you will not be able to become an authority in any of them. But if you write 100 articles in one niche, you will become an authority in that niche and AI chatbots will cite you more. Now I will tell you the complete SEO strategy that will work in 2026. First strategy, focus on EEAT. EEAT is no longer optional, it is mandatory. For experience, share personal experiences in your content. If you are writing a product review, then actually use that product and write. For expertise, showcase your credentials. If you are writing health content and you are actually a doctor, mention that. For authoritativeness, build quality backlinks from other websites and do guest posts. For trustworthiness, keep a proper about page on your website, give contact information, and add a privacy policy. Second strategy, semantic SEO. In 2026, semantic SEO is more important than keywords. Semantic SEO means that you cover topics, not keywords. Meaning if you are writing content on digital marketing, do not just target the digital marketing keyword. Also cover related topics with it: social media marketing, content marketing, SEO, email marketing, PPC. All of these come in the same topic cluster. Google now checks whether your website comprehensively covers a topic or not. Third strategy, user experience optimization. Google's page experience has become more important now. Optimize Core Web Vitals LCP means largest contentful paint, FID means first input delay, and CLS means cumulative layout shift. Give priority to mobile experience because majority of searches now happen from mobile. Improve site speed. If your website takes more than 3 seconds to load, then you are already losing rankings. Fourth strategy, content pruning. This is very important in 2026. Audit your website and either update, merge, or delete low quality or outdated content. As I told you earlier, helpful content system now works at site level. If there is a lot of low quality content on your website, it will hurt the rankings of your entire site. Fifth strategy, AI assisted content creation the right way. Look, creating content with AI is not wrong, but directly publishing from AI is wrong. You can use AI for research, for creating an outline, and for making the first draft. But then you will have to add your personal touch to that content, add your experiences, and check factual accuracy. AI plus human expertise. This is the winning formula of 2026. Sixth strategy, video and visual content. Google is now giving more preference to video content. If you are only creating text content, you are missing opportunities. Also create video content along with your important articles. Upload on YouTube and embed in your articles. This will make your content more comprehensive and Google will also prefer it. Seventh strategy, local SEO for local businesses. If you have a local business, then pay attention to local SEO. Properly optimize your Google business profile, get listed in local directories, and target local keywords. After the December 2025 update, local SEO has become even more important because Google now understands local intent better. Now, quickly, tools that will be useful for you in 2026. For traditional SEO, Ahrefs and SEMrush are still the gold standard for keyword research and backlink analysis. For geo, there are not many specific tools for geo right now, but you can manually check what results different AI chatbots are giving for your queries. For content optimization, Surfer SEO and ClearScope are good tools for content optimization. For technical SEO, Screaming Frog for site audit, and Google Search Console is obviously essential. So, bro, this was the complete breakdown of SEO in 2026. Let me quickly recap. The December 2025 Google Core Update improved AI content detection, increased the weightage of EAT, and made the helpful content system more aggressive. GEO, Generative Engine Optimization, is now equally important as traditional SEO because majority of users are now using AI chatbots. And for SEO success in 2026, you will have to focus on EAT, implement semantic SEO, optimize user experience, and optimize content for both Google and AI chatbots. And one important thing, SEO is no longer just a skill. It is a complete ecosystem. Those who understand this ecosystem will dominate in 2026. If you found this video helpful, then definitely press the like button. And if you want to see such content regularly on AI, SEO, and digital marketing, then subscribe and press the bell icon. Tell me in the comments which SEO strategy you are going to implement in 2026. And if you have any specific question about SEO or geo, ask that also in the comments. I will see you guys next week with another value-packed video. Till then, keep hustling and keep ranking. Bye-bye.